Today we got 2008 Mazda CX9. We're gonna replace the wheel bearing. As you can see, it's bad. This is the symptoms, okay? Yeah, just like you say, you hear it. That's the noise from the wheel bearing. And there is a movement in the really center right here. Look. Okay, so we're gonna replace the wheel bearing today. This is another symptom right here. As you can see, it's all loose. It's like if the wheel bolts are loose, but it's not. They're not. So it's the wheel bearing. Okay. So we're gonna replace the wheel bearing and also the bolt joints today. Okay. Uh, this is my sister's car, so I'm gonna help her to just replace the wheel bearing. Remember, I'm not doing this for life. I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm just a handy guy. All right. Just secure your car with this jack stands, the jack and the stands, the wheels. Lock the wheels. Just be careful, okay? So we're gonna remove the clip here for the brake line first. You can do that last or whatever is easier for you. It's just to secure the calipers. You can. I'm gonna remove the caliper and the brake and the bracket for the caliper separately. You can get it out together, but in this case, I'm not gonna do it because I'm gonna replace the brake pads as well. Okay, so I'm not just only replacing the wheel bearing. But if it's your case, you can do whatever is easy for you. Okay. All right. Just use a breaker bar to lose these bolts because they're pretty tight. And then we go from there.
Hey, para allá. Mi testamento dice, porque ahora sí que ya no sé qué la rata le hizo cuando me diga rata.
Se la van a echar al John que le...
Cuando me dice, ya ve que
Ah, sí.
ya ve cómo me pongo.
El otro día estaba haciendo que no puede caminar.
No puede caminar ni moverla siquiera así, porque un dolor que insoportable. Y ahora cuando me ponían las cosas ahí en la bodega.
Okay, now we're gonna remove the bracket from the caliper bracket, which is this. And like I said, use a breaker bar or anything to loosen up, and then pull it out. Okay. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Just like any other car, pretty much. The only difficult part here is just get the wheel bearing out of the wheel hub, you know, and the wheel assembly. They don't sell it together, so you have to use a press to do it. Be careful with these little screws. They're pretty hard to remove them. One of them, and then the nut. You gotta use the pliers, and that's it. Like I said, that's all you gotta do. Remove the disc, the rotor.
Where's the bear?
Don't forget to see how to loose. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, that's the wheel bearing. All right. Now remove the ABS sensor. Use a 10 millimeters to lose the bolt, and take the brake line, the ABS sensor out of from the hub. Okay, just put it away from here. Just like that, yeah. Now we're gonna take the lose the outer tie rod end, and we're gonna just lose it for now. We're not gonna take it off all the way, okay? We're just gonna break it loose.
Probably all metric. Yeah. Well, it's just American car. American cars they're not metric. It's standard only. Only Japanese are metric. Yeah. I like to always get metric. It's Japanese. I like 1, 2, 3. All right.
I'll see you later.
I'm gonna put the nut back on just to
in a minute.
so I can just break it loose with a little hammer, just like that. There you go. Now see, it's loose, okay? Next, we're gonna do the top bolts, the two top bolts. We're gonna break them loose first. Just like this. Okay, now we're gonna lose the we're gonna take off the sway bar links right here. You have to use the Allen key to lose them, to take it off, not to lose them, but to take it off all the way, because otherwise it will continue turning like this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the best way to do it. Okay, so it's just like that, look. This is the way you take the knot off from the sway bar links, like this. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and remove the hub first out of the hub assembly. As you can see, look, they're pretty loose like that, okay? So when I use a press from my friends, he's got a shop, so he's gonna let me borrow his press just to get out the hub assembly first, okay? So we're gonna do the hub assembly first, and you're starting from the back to inside, okay? And you will see how it's gonna pop out right right away. There you go. As you can see, that is loose. And I'm gonna replace the hub as well, because the old one, you need to remove part of the wheel bearing, and then you had to use a torch or anything to cut it. Okay, so I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna get a new one for 30 bucks. Just like that. Right?
Sí, pero
So
no
now
voy a,
take
no me van a ver, güey, me voy a
the
poner directo ahí.
out of the,
Y le metes un desarmadorcito.
secure,
Ahí, aquí. ¿Dónde? Aquí, güey.
lock
Despacito,
right here out of the wheel
Aquí,
bearing
no,
hub.
este solo ahí, calmado, calmado.
Okay.
Dale.
Just be careful because that pops out pretty fast. Use a flat screwdriver and the pliers to get it.
Ahí está, está.
This
Despacito, vamos a ir sacando ese.
secure
Ahí está.
O-ring right here. Look.
Ahí está.
Okay. Now we can continue and press out the rest of the wheel bearing. Okay. Very simple as that. There's some new methods to do this one when it's in the car, but I don't have the new tool yet. I just ordered a new tool, a new press tool that you can just do it when it's on the cars. All right, just get it out like that. It will be a little bit hard, but it will come out, okay? Right, just like this. All right, that's the old one. I'm gonna install the new one. Just the same simple. Just like that. Yep. Yep, just press it all the way down and that's it. All right, just gonna keep going. So this is if you don't be able to have a press like this or the other one, just take it to the shop so they can do it for you. I'm just gonna show you what was the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing, and you know, and what's the work to complete it. So it's not that simple, you know. It takes time. So you've been charged a lot of money to change the wheel bearing. Okay. As you can see, it's almost there. There you go. There you go. That's it, guys. It's complete. All right. So now we're gonna put the secure back on. The secure washer right here. And that's it. Okay. Make sure it's flat and nice and tight. There you go. Clean it, and now we're gonna install the new hub as well. So remember, you can use the old one. You can see videos how to remove the rest of to use the old one, but I'm not gonna miss it with that. I'm gonna use the new one, okay? Pretty simple, pretty easy. Just press all the way. This part doesn't have the any locks or anything. You just press all the way down. That's it. Alright, simple as that. After this, we're gonna go ahead and put it back on the car and good to go. Okay, now I'm just gonna replace the ball joint. As you can see, this is a new one. They're pretty easy to install, so as soon the other one, it wasn't bad, but the rubber, it was cracked. So so it will be probably damaged in a few months. So I'm just gonna replace it. Now I got everything apart, you know. Just clean it out and put it back on, okay?
Oh, sí. Ahí con los que nos quites, con eso lo vamos a hacer.
O si no, nomás que venga la Karen y que se lleve la cajita y allá que los haga. Sí, si no, dígala así. Cabal, pues, digo, a la tienda.
Alright, just put the nut back on, tie it with the pliers, and you're good to go. Put everything back on, and you'll be good to go, alright? Oh, as you can see, I left my brake caliper underneath the joint, so be careful. So I had to remove it, but it's not, you know, it was a little hard because it's on the way. As you can see on the video, I was like, what? Really? So tie it up like this. Put the outer tie right end. Put everything back on, and you're good to go, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know any comments, good, bad, you know, are welcome on this channel. Okay, just please don't use bad language, please. You know, it's just like that. Or it's up to you. You can say whatever you want, guys. But that's it. It's completed. It's not. I don't have any more problems with it. My sister is driving it right now, and no issues at all. Okay. Put the screws back on. Secure everything. And then I will show you there will be no any more movement. Okay. There you go. No more noise. No more loose wheel bearing. Nothing. Perfect. Thank you.